Chapter 21.8 focuses on Hofmann elimination. This is a reaction of quaternary salts to form alkenes. For this to work, you need a reactant with a beta carbon that has available hydrogens. So, like in this example, if your beta carbon is fully methylated and doesn't have any hydrogens or free electrons, you can't use Hofmann elimination. A molecule like this, however, will work because there is a beta carbon with hydrogens available. And this will form an alkene and then a nitrogen with 3 methyl groups attached. So during Hofmann elimination, there are 3 major steps. The exhaustive methylation, and then there's also a reaction with silver oxide and water, and then you add heat at the end. So the first step in exhaustive methylation, the lone pair of electrons in the nitrogen attacks the methyl group in methyl iodide, and then the electrons are pushed onto the iodine. In this next step, it'll have a positive charge on the nitrogen because it still has those 2 hydrogens as well as a methyl group. You can react this with the original reactant because in the solution there are more molecules of that, and that will take off one of those hydrogens and make the molecule have no charge again. So this process continues and you keep going until the nitrogen is fully methylated. So in this case, you are going to add 3 different methyl groups to the molecule. In each of these steps, there are iodide anions, which are stabilizing the molecule, which has a positive charge. Okay, so in the second step, we are reacting wet silver oxide, and this is going to form hydroxide ions. The equilibrium arrows you can see are not favoring the products, but still some will form. Okay, in the third and final step, you react these products with heat, and this forms the alkene. So the nitrogen, again, has a positive charge, and then the hydroxide ion attacks at the beta carbon, at the hydrogen there, and the electrons are pushed down, and this forms a negatively charged beta carbon. You follow the electron flow and an alkene is formed as well as a nitrogen with 3 methyl groups. So again, Hofmann elimination is a reaction where you can turn a tertiary amine into an alkene.